Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add the call to action on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app. Then you can hit that plus sign and record a short video. Let it be a video just like that. Once you recorded it, you can edit it, you can change the filters or add some other effects like increase the speed of that video. And once you finished with that, you can just hit on that check mark icon to move on to the next step, and on that step, in order to add a call to action to that video, you have to hit right here at that stickers icon. Then just search for arrow, just like that. Then select any arrow that you like. I like that one. You can simply add it to your video by selecting it, and after that you can in that way position it just like that next to your profile picture, in that way. Also, then you can scale it, you can make it bigger or smaller. After that you can add there some text. For example, tab to follow. Then you can change the text style. I like it. I like that option. Then you can position this text. You can scale it. You can rotate it. For example, just like that. And also you can change the duration of that two elements and the appearance and disappearance time. So all you have to do in that case is just tap at any of that elements, then hit on select duration, and then you can drag it left to set appearance time close to the end of the video. Just like that. And the same about the second element. You can change it in that way, then hit on check mark icon. And guys, that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.